children! Hey there, this is Miss Lowe, and I'm so glad that we can practice for our holiday or Christmas sing-along together. Make sure that your hands are ready, and your holiday spirit is ready, and your voices are ready. The first song we will practice today is Deck the Halls. We're going to pretend that we have hollies all around our door frame. 1, 2, and here we sing and move. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Don't we know her gay apparel? Fa la 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 la. Trow the ancient Yuletide carol. Fa la 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 la. See the blazing Yule before us. Fa la 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus. Fa la 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 la. Follow me in merry measure. Fa la 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 la. While I tell of Yuletide treasure. Fa la 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 la. Next part. Fast away the old year passes. Fa la 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 la. Hail the new ye lads and lasses. Fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together. Fa la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather. Fa la 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 la. Next song is called Up on the Housetop. We start a housetop in the air. 1, 2, and sing and move. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. Oh, for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. And the next song we are singing is Jingle Bells. We're starting with a kazoo in our hand first, a pretend kazoo, humming the last 2 lines of Jingle Bells. Ready, here we go. Open your hand right here and we get our sleigh ride ready to dash. Here we go, dashing through the snow in a 1-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bob to ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a 1-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a 1-horse open sleigh. Shh. And we are not saying hey at the end of Jingle Bells. And we are going to keep our Christmas tree right here for the last song. And our hands is all the way up first so we don't hit children next to us. As we sing, we wish. Here we go. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings to you wherever you are. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And a Happy New Year. And we're going to say the word Merry Christmas. Not too loud. Here we go. Merry Christmas! Great job! So make sure that you're reviewing the song with a hand motion so when we sing together, we can look jolly and we sound jolly. Merry Christmas! Happy practicing!